In this video, you will learn how to get a drone pilot license in Michigan. Whether you're an aspiring aerial photographer or interested in commercial drone operations, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with the FAA regulations. Before you begin your journey to becoming a licensed drone pilot in Michigan, it's crucial to understand the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) regulations. Visit the FAA's official website or the Michigan Department of Transportation's website for detailed information on drone operation rules, airspace restrictions, and safety guidelines. Step 2. Study for the FAA Part 107 Knowledge Test. To become a licensed drone pilot in Michigan, you must pass the FAA Part 107 Knowledge Test. This test evaluates your understanding of aeronautical concepts, airspace regulations, weather patterns, and drone flight operations. You should take an online course to help you prepare to take the Michigan Part 107 test. You can find a link to the best course to take to get ready for the test in the description below this video. Step 3. Schedule and take the FAA Part 107 Knowledge Test. Once you're confident in your knowledge, schedule an appointment to take the FAA Part 107 Knowledge Test at an authorized testing center. Visit the FAA's website or contact your local Flight Standards District Office, FSDO, for a list of approved testing centers in Michigan. Step 4. Complete the FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Certificate application. After passing the knowledge test, it's time to complete the FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Certificate application. This application is submitted online through the Integrated Airman Certification and Rating Application System. Make sure to provide accurate information and pay the required application fee. Step 5. Undergo a background check. As part of the licensing process, you'll need to undergo a Transportation Security Administration (TSA) background check. This check ensures that you meet the necessary security requirements to operate a drone in the national airspace. You can initiate the background check process through the IACRA system. Step 6. Pass the TSA background check and receive temporary certificate. Once your background check is successfully completed, the FAA will issue you a temporary remote pilot certificate via email. This temporary certificate allows you to legally operate a drone while waiting for the physical certificate to arrive in the mail. Step 7. Fly your drone responsibly and comply with regulations. Now that you have your temporary certificate, it's time to take to the skies. Remember to always fly your drone responsibly and adhere to the FAA regulations and guidelines. This includes maintaining visual line of sight, avoiding restricted airspace, respecting privacy, and practicing safe and responsible flight maneuvers. Step 8. Receive your official remote pilot certificate. Within a few weeks after passing the TSA background check, you'll receive your official remote pilot certificate in the mail. This certificate confirms your status as a licensed drone pilot in Michigan. Congratulations! Becoming a licensed drone pilot in Michigan involves studying the regulations, passing the FAA Part 107 knowledge test, completing the application process, undergoing a background check, and adhering to safety guidelines. By following these steps and flying responsibly, you can enjoy the thrilling world of drone piloting while complying with all legal requirements.